How to remove facial verification in Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to remove facial verification in Binance. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Binance on your device. Alright, so after you open the Binance app, you'll got such interface. So from here, after you are trying to log in with your account or sign up in, you'll be able to see such interface. So from this interface, after you log in and create all of the credentials with your account, you'll be able to see options like verify identity. So from there, you'll have to verify, and on the other hand, you'll have to verify with your facial verification. So there is no any such way to remove facial verification in Binance. So this is the legal and legit policy of the Binance to verify your ID with the facial verification. So there is no any such way to remove that. So you have to go that options to verify your ID. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.